Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Soul Jyoti Yoga. Today we are presenting important standing asanas in yoga. Standing poses have tremendous benefits for strengthening and stretching all the muscles of our body, which contributes to burning of stubborn fat and toning of the whole body. So friends, before going ahead, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the useful yoga videos which will definitely get you physical and mental success. So let's get started. Mountain pose. Stand straight on the ground. Interlock your fingers together. Deep inhale and raise both the arms in upward direction. Now slowly come on the toes by raising your heels. Tadasana strengthens your ligaments, thighs, knees, arms, legs and ankles. It improves posture and also very good pose to increase your height. Stay for 10 breaths and while exhaling come to the initial position. Tree pose. Stand with 5 inches feet apart. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Bend your right knee and move it towards inner left thigh. Join both your hands and raise it up. Tree pose strengthens your core body, boosts concentration and focus. It ultimately works on your posture, balance and self-esteem. Stretch yourself and maintain your balance for half to 1 minute. Exhale and release. Now do the same on the left side. Tree pose relieves stress and anxiety and also very beneficial to relieve premenstrual symptoms like leg cramps and abdominal cramps in women. In the beginning, you can stay on the pose for 5 to 10 breaths. Eagle pose. Raise your right leg up, balancing the body on the left leg. Wrap the shin of your right leg around the calf of the left leg. Similarly, wrap your right hand around the left hand. Bend your knees and maintain the position for 10 to 15 seconds. To release, first unlock your hands followed by the legs. Now do the same on the left side. Eagle pose guards our joints by increasing blood circulation to all the joints. It improves digestion and opens up hips and shoulder joints. It keeps us strong even at our old days. Chair pose. Stand straight, keeping some gap between your legs. Raise both your hands in upward direction. Exhale and bend your knees. Then try to make the pose as you are sitting on a chair. Stay for 15 to 20 seconds. Chair pose tones the leg muscles excellently. It stretches chest and shoulders, stimulates heart, diaphragm and abdominal organs. Dancer pose. Raise your hand towards front. Keep right leg strong and bend left leg. Hold your leg with left hand and slowly raise it up. Dancer pose builds full body strength, flexibility and coordination. This pose develops greater flexibility in your spine, shoulders and hamstrings. It stretches your abdominal muscles and tones fatty stomach. Now do the same on the left side. Stay for 10 seconds and release. Forward bending. Keep your feet shoulder distance apart and parallel to each other. Deep inhale and raise your hands up. Try to stretch your body as much as you can. Then while exhaling, bend your body from the hip and try to touch your feet. If you are a beginner, then just reach as much you can. Practice this for 10 to 15 times. Uttanasana reduces the fat around your waistline. It gives you a perfect body by burning extra fats. It also reduces fatigue and anxiety. Apart from those, it also helps in relieving headache, insomnia, and also promotes digestion. Triangle pose. Keep the legs 2 to 3 feet distance apart. Move the right foot to the outward direction. Inhale and slowly bend the trunk towards the right side. Try to keep your body parallel to the ground. While exhaling, come to the initial position. Practice this for 10 to 15 times. Trikonasana is a very good pose to burn the fat around your waist. It stretches hips, groins, hamstrings, calves, and spine. It gives strength to your legs, feet, and ankles. It also stimulates abdominal organs, aiding in digestion. Warrior pose 1. Keep the legs 3 to 4 feet distance apart. Move the right foot to the outward direction. Join both your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath and slowly raise it up while bending your right knee. Left leg must remain stretched out and tighten at the knee. Repeat the same on the other side. Triangle pose energizes your entire body, improves focus, balance, and stability. It stretches your arms, legs, shoulders, neck, belly, and ankles. It enhances proper blood circulation and respiration. Warrior pose 2. Keep your legs 3 to 4 feet distance apart. Move the right foot to the outward direction. Join both your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath and slowly raise it up while bending your right knee. Then open your hands, keep them parallel to the ground. Repeat the same on the other side. This pose tones and tightens your arms and leg muscles. It builds stamina and concentration, energizes tired limbs, and stimulates your abdominal organs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to practice these simple asanas and share with your family and friends. Please hit the like button, and for your queries, comment section is right below. I'll surely go through your comments and reply. See you soon friends. Stay healthy, stay happy. Namaste.